welcome to my homestyle cooking channel. Today we're gonna make a Chinese Filipino steamed bun or steamed dumplings. We call as Siopao. So we're gonna make asado because most of the Filipinos they like the sweet. But the first thing that we have to do is the dough. So our ingredients are 4 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of yeast. We combine all together, then we put all on it. 3 tablespoons of corn oil, 1 cup of soda water. You guys who don't have soda water, you can use a Sprite. 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of milk, and then we combine all together. So now the liquid has been absorbed already. It's time to work on the table. Flour for dusting. We will apply 3 techniques on mixing the dough without the mixer. First we do a roll over, push and roll over. Do alternate. Slap the dough. And then 2 hands roll over. Alright. So the dough has been elastic already. So we're gonna rest it for 30 to 45 minutes. Now while we are resting for our dough, we're gonna make a sauce. They call us asado sauce. So I have my saucepan. We need 3 cups of water, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of brown sugar, star anise, a nice flavor for asado, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of cassava starch or tapioca starch. That's it. And now we're gonna cook our asado sauce. So we'll stir until become very thick. We gotta add a red color on it. Yeah. Now it's done. So now we will go for the filling. Normally it's pork, but I will make chicken. The nice part that you can use in the chicken is thigh. For the chicken, we're gonna marinate it. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. A little bit of black pepper on it. And then our star anise. You guys, if Chinese, you use the black soy sauce, mushroom soy sauce, hoisin sauce. But since this is home style cooking, so we will make it very simple. 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then corn oil, 2 tablespoons of corn oil. It will be a little bit red, so we use red color. We will not use oven today, we will just grill it. So now we're gonna grill the chicken. A little bit of corn oil on it. We have to turn it. In Chinese, they call it Char Siu barbecue. Alright, it's done. The chicken has been cooked already and our sauce also. So we're gonna chop it up. Now it's chunky already. Our asado sauce. Mix together until it become like a paste. Alright, so we're gonna put in the fridge. Hi guys, as you can see now it's already expanded. So what we're gonna do is we'll cut the dough into proportion. Little bit flour on the surface of the table. White cloth. Alright. So as you can see, this middle is thick, while the side is thin. This one you can do a portioning also. You can roll by hands. The filling on it, one by one. More. As you can see, this is the roast. This is the most difficult part of the steamed bun, the sioapao, the folding. So now that's the time we gotta steam it. Steaming is about 5 to 7 minutes depending on the temperature. As you can see here guys, expanded nicely. Let's see, this is another batch of onions. Alright guys, this is now our steamed bun, Siopao. As you can see, the filling inside. Wow. It's really nice. Alright, thank you for watching. Happy cooking at home. I'll see you on my next vlog.